Horses out, we have Fisher's Champ as to begin, moving up in the middle, Brown Baby rushing upon the outside now is Love Minstrel. Out of time comes next, Copacabana, Masaganang Ani Dakara, My Boy Paulo, Shuttler's Treasure, and Wheel of Fame is the early trailer. We have Love Minstrel, the leader by about 2 lengths. Brown Baby is running by the second, Art of Time in third, Copacabana in fourth, Masaganang Ani moving up by the Pipa. Then comes Dakara, Fisher's Champ, My Boy Paulo, Shuttler's Treasure, and Wheel of Fame still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Love Minstrel by Oralenka. Art of Time in second, running by the third, Brown Baby, Copacabana moving up, Dakara, My Boy Paulo, Fisher's Champ moving up by the Masaganang Ani, then followed by number 7, Wheel of Fame, and Shuttler's Treasure. Love Minstrel, out of time, Dakara moving up on the outside. Fisher's Champ is running by the Ford. Then comes Copacabana, then followed by number 4, My Boy Paulo. Dakara takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Fisher's Champ now moving up to take second, and in third, out of time as they come down at the last 150. Dakara by about 3 lengths. Fisher's Champ in second, moving up Shuttler's Treasure, last 75 meters. And that's still Dakara. And finally, Dakara second. Wheel of Fame, Fisher's Champ, then comes Shuttler's Treasure, Copacabana.
972.
1.
1 ba?
Mm-hmm.
Parang G's yung